Thank you for being with us.
Yeah,
What brought you to New York?
what brought me to New York? APL, American Premier League, second edition. I'm looking forward to it. We're actually live here in Times Square now. It's a beautiful city. So I'm happy to be here with some great friends of mine from the cricketing fraternity. So hopefully, December, it's going to be a cracking season as well. Thanks to Jay for the invitation, and I really appreciate it. And I'm just looking forward to bring my entertainment within this tournament as well.
And you are also going to play in season two of American Premier League too.
Yeah, I mean, I'm playing an ambassador role, but at the same time, I'm going to play in the tournament as well. So, yeah, I need to get my gears on, dust off it, and then be ready on December the 21st or the 19th. So I'll be ready.
So, what do you think? How cricket is? I mean, promoting in United States in America. How do you see? What do you feel like be in America and going to be play in America?
I mean, it's growing in America. It's good for the younger players, good for the new generation coming up as well. We see a lot of franchise cricket being played here in the United States. Also, the World Cup will be here next year as well, so that's something huge for United States. And I'm sure everybody is actually excited. They've been trying to do this over the last couple of years to get international cricket here in the US, and I think they've actually break that barrier now to be able to host the World Cup. So that's something fantastic, and I'm sure at some years down the line as well, they'll be actually looking to have their own World Cup rather than partner with the Caribbean. So it's just a win for them now.
And last question: do you have millions of fans in Pakistan? What would you say to your cricket fans in Pakistan?
Pakistan, Zindabad. I mean, I love Pakistan, and Pakistan always cherish Pakistan. Shout out to the fans, enough love and respect. I don't know when I'll be back in Pakistan, but Pakistan always got a place in my heart as well.
Thank you so much. Thank
Cheers,
you,
man.
sir. Thanks for being with us.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.